Welcome to our channel. Let's quickly explore how to check your American Airlines boarding pass online. With ease and confidence, welcome to our channel. Checking your American Airlines boarding pass online is a straightforward process that can save you time and help you stay organized before your flight. Start by visiting the official American Airlines website or opening their mobile app. Both platforms offer an easy way to access your boarding pass. Next, locate the check-in option, which is usually prominent on the home screen. If you haven't checked in yet, you'll need to enter your booking details such as your confirmation number, your last name, and sometimes your passport number. This step verifies your identity and retrieves your flight information. Once your reservation appears, you'll be guided through key steps to confirm your travel details, confirm your seat selection, and add any extra services if needed. When you reach the boarding pass page, you can choose to download it or add it to your mobile wallet for convenience. Downloading the boarding pass as a PDF file lets you print it or keep it handy on your phone. Adding it to your mobile wallet is especially useful, since you can access the pass even without an internet connection. Remember that you can check in online starting 24 hours before your scheduled departure. This is the best time to get your boarding pass. And avoid long lines at the airport. If you are traveling with bags to check, you can usually pay for baggage fees online as well, which simplifies your airport experience. American Airlines app also allows real-time updates about your flight status, gate changes, and boarding times, so keep your phone handy close to your departure time. You can open your downloaded or wallet boarding pass at airport security and the gate to breeze through checkpoints. To summarize, checking your American Airlines boarding pass online involves simply logging into your reservation through the website or app, completing the check-in process, and then saving or accessing your pass digitally. Whether you prefer a printed copy or a mobile wallet pass, this process ensures a smooth and stress-free start to your journey. Don't forget to have your identification documents ready when you get to the airport, and check your email for any last-minute notifications from American Airlines. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you don't miss out on more useful travel tips and airport hacks.